Hello again. I rarely make YouTube video, but I thought of sharing an update of my first initial video I ever did. Was for the eBay camber correction item that I installed, the red one. It was an eBay, and a lot of stuff on this car. I mean, I tried eBay stuff. It don't matter. I'm not gonna spend that crazy money on this car. It's a 1991 Civic. Initial video is when I turned this bolt. This does always turn, so I've kind of figured a way to go around it, which I did. But right now I'm hearing a clunking noise, so I'm suspecting this eBay upper control camber correction thingy is probably have problem with the bushing. So I'm gonna take it out and see what it is. This car is gonna be an eBay built pretty much, I guess. I mean, I don't spend that crazy money on it. So I got this set for like, I think $70. It's kind of weak. This thing doesn't really fit, but I ordered it anyway. There's only like, you know, $25 difference if it was without the bushing. If it's just the arm itself, it's like $50 or some shit. So yeah, let's get this thing installed and see if I could use this. But I'm not sure I could use this little plate. It's a little bit too narrow. I think the original is a little wider. So I'm gonna take out the car and we can compare it. So like I said before, I'm not afraid of trying eBay stuff. You know, I do a lot of stuff on eBay. So this is off the car. I mean, I had this thing back in September 2018, and this thing is shot. I think Rock Auto sells them too, but the rubber bushing or whatever the hell it is totally gone. It squeaks and it's clunk. So I don't even know if this also contributed to the ball joint or not. This set from the eBay I bought to include all this bushing, and then this bracket doesn't really fit. This is my original bracket, so you compare it. Look at the holes, it's way off. It doesn't really fit. Other than that, I'm going to try to match it up as much as I can, and then we'll do an alignment afterward. That's it. Let me see how it goes. Well, I'm trying to fit this thing in, but it wouldn't go in. I don't know, making any significant difference. But I would like to install it with it in case to keep this aligned. So I'm gonna have to widen this hole. This is the original. So I'm gonna have to widen it a little bit. That's it. Okay, should work now. That's it. Sit in like that. Okay, installation is done. It fits okay. Right now I'm just moving this thing further out as much as I can, so probably positive camber somewhat. Intentionally I just want to have this like a -1.5, -1 maybe camber. That's it. I don't want that much. This is my daily driver. That is it.